Hello, good morning, children. I am Srinivasu Kollu, School Assistant, Social Studies, ZBHS, Golavelli. Today we are going to learn 10th class first lesson India relief features. India had taken 82 and of eastern longitude as a standard meridian, which was taken as a standard meridian 82 and of eastern longitude taken as a standard meridian. This meridian is reference for Indian Standard Time. What is meant by IST? IST means Indian Standard Time. It was ahead of Greenwich Mean Time, the time of 5.5 hours. Today we can see 7 continents in the world. These are Asian continent, Africa, Europa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. These are the continents present we have. But in the earlier period, these many continents not there. Okay. From the middle of the earth, a line will passes. This line was called as the equator. What is this? This was called as the equator. This equator is divide the earth or entire globe into two parts. Which are the parts? First one northern sphere, second one southern sphere, which was located at the direction of the north is called as the northern sphere, which was located at the direction of the south is called as the southern sphere. In this way, equator dividing the entire earth into two spheres. First one northern sphere, second one southern sphere. In this way, how can we found the India? First of all, the India is located in the Asian continent and Asian continent is located in the northern sphere. Now we are going to learn geological background of the earth. Geological background is nothing but the age or history of the earth. So many geologists have their own classification about the geological background of the earth. From those above, we will take here a specified and very comfortable and easiest classification. According to this classification, the earth is divided into mainly 5 categories. First one Archaeozoic, second one Proterozoic, third one Paleozoic, fourth one Mesozoic, and fifth one Cenozoic. And every one is again divided into epochs. Epochs means Yuvan means Mahayugamu. Epochs. Mahayugamu is again divided into Yugam. And again epoch was divided into As, Kalamu. Okay. In this way, the fifth one Cenozoic was again divided into tertiary period, tertiary epoch and quaternary epoch. Again tertiary divided into 4 ages. These are Paleocene, Eocene, Oligocene and Miocene. Why we are saying about these ages? Because the Himalayan ranges was originated in the tertiary age. It was more related to our current topic, our current lesson. Okay, this is the Himalayan age. Okay, children, presently we having 7 continents. But in the ancient period, there are no seven continents. There are only two main parts. First one is the Pangea, and second one is the Pandalsa. This is the Pangea land mass, and second one is the Pandalsa water mass. Okay. This total landmass was called as the Pangea, and this total water mass was called as the Pandalsa. Okay, again, this total landmass is mainly divided into two parts. These two parts are first one Angara land. What is this one? Angara land, which was located in the northern side, is called as the Angara land. And the second one is the Gondwana land. What is this? Gondwana land, which was situated in the southern side, is called as the Gondwana land. Between these two main parts, there is a sea. That sea was called as the Tethys Ocean. What is this, children? Tethys Ocean. In the course of the years, this Gondwana land was split into so many pieces. So many pieces means so many plates. Here, piece was called as the plate. This is the African plate, and this is the Australia plate, and this is the Antarctica plate, and this is the Indian plate. In the course of the years, gradually these plates are started to move. These plates are started to moving. In the process, Indian plate was moved towards the east, especially northeast. Especially northeast. When the Indian plate was coming very near to the Eurasia plate, there was originated a huge internal force. Due to this internal force, the sedimentation in the Tethys Sea was came up and built a new form of the layer. This layer was like this. This layer was like this. Why it was formed? It was formed due to the work of the Indian plateau, Indian peninsular plate. What are these elements? The elements are the sediment of the Tethys Ocean. Okay, children, in this way, the new land was formed as a mountain range. Later, it was called as the Himalayan mountains. These mountains mainly formed by the folding process. That's why today Himalayan mountains are called as the folding mountains. Which name was Himalayan got? The name is folding mountains. In this way, Himalayan mountains were originated. Okay, children, I will explain again very briefly. In the ancient period, there were no seven continents, only main two parts. First one is the landmass, which was called as the Pangea, and second one is the water mass, which was called as the Pandalsa. Pangea later divided into two main parts, into Angara land and Gondwana land. In the course of the years, Gondwana land was again splitted into so many pieces like plates. These plates are moving according to their way. In this way, Indian plate was started to moving towards the Eurasian plate. In this process, a huge immense force was originated from the inner side. Due to this force, a new landform was originated through the folding process. These folding process main cause to form the Himalayan mountains. That's why Himalayan mountains or got a name folding mountains as folding mountains. Okay children, if you have any doubts, please WhatsApp to me. I will explain at my best. Have a nice day. Thanks for the watching.